Hey guys, we're going to do a quick lesson here on circumference. So there's two different situations where we need to find circumference. The first one is like number 1 up here, where we have just the radius, which is halfway across the circle. And then the other one is like number 4 here, where we have the circumference, where we have the diameter, which is the entire way across the circle. So two different ways to do these. So for number 1, we're going to start with our formula. Circumference equals 2 times the radius times pi. Okay, sometimes you'll hear 2 pi r. That's another way to do that. The first thing we're going to do then is to substitute my radius, which in this case is 4.5 meters. And then the last thing we have to do is just multiply those three numbers together. So we get 2 times 4.5 times 3.14. That's our close enough approximation for pi. We don't necessarily need to use the pi button for that. So 28.26 would be the distance all the way around this circle. 28.26 meters. So the next one, for number 4, when we have the diameter, the formula is C equals pi d, or pi times d. And in this case, my diameter is 30.2 centimeters. So we do 3.14 times 32 centimeters, and we get 100.48 centimeters all the way around this circle. Okay. Two things to notice here from our activity for today. The circumference is always going to be about 3 times bigger than the diameter. And the circumference here, again, when we have the radius, it's going to be about 6 times bigger than the radius. And the reason for that is the radius is exactly half the size of the diameter, because it's halfway across the circle. Hope those two examples help you. Please make sure that you use the formulas when you get started with all of these. That'll help you out.